Exercise 1.5, question number 2. Find the value of k such that f of g is equal to g of f. 1. F of x is equal to 3x plus 2, g of x is equal to 6x minus k. 2. F of x is equal to 2x minus k, g of x is equal to 4x plus 5. Solution. Here we have to find the value of k. Here f of g is equal to g of f is given. Solution. First one. Given f of g is equal to g of f. F of g is equal to g of f. It is given in our question. F of g can be written as f of. Instead of we can put bracket. Then write g. What is g? G of x is equal to. Here also we can write g of. Of means bracket. Then write this f. F means f of x. Then substitute the values of g and f. F is f. Then substitute the value of g of x. G of x is, in first one, g of x is 6x minus k. 6x minus k is equal to g. G is g. Then what's the value of f of x in first one? This is f of x. 3x plus 2. Instead of f of x, we can write 3x plus 2. Then simplify. What is f of 6x minus k? F of 6x minus k is nothing but, what is f of x? This is f of x. In f of x, substitute x is equal to 6x minus k. 6x minus k. Here f of 6x minus k means substitute x is equal to 6x minus k. Here we can substitute x is equal to 6x minus k. Here also we can substitute 6x minus k. That means 3 into 6x minus k plus 2. What's the value of f of 6x minus k? 3 into 6x minus k plus 2. Yeah, this 2. Then is equal to, here g of 3x plus 2. G of 3x plus 2 means in g of x, substitute x is equal to 3x plus 2. X is equal to 3x plus 2. Therefore, 6 into 3x plus 2. 6 into 3x plus 2. Put a bracket for them here since they are 2 times. Put a bracket. Then write this minus k. Minus k. Minus k. Then simplify. Here 3 into 6x, 18x. 3 into minus k, minus 3k plus 2 is equal to 6 into 3x, 18x. 6 into 2, 12 plus 12. Then here minus k. Then here 18x cancelled. Then balance should be written minus 3k plus 2. Minus 3k plus 2 is equal to 12 minus k. 12 minus k. Then here minus 3k is minus 3k. Take this minus k to left side. Becomes plus k. Here 12 is there. Here take this plus 2 to right side. Becomes minus 2. Then here minus 3k plus k is nothing but minus 2k is equal to 12 minus 2 is 10. Then find out the value of k. K is equal to, here into minus 2. Into minus 2 becomes by minus 2 when it goes right side. Here 10 is there. 10 by minus 2. Here into 2 becomes by minus 2. Here minus into minus 2 becomes by minus 2. Then divide. 10 by minus 2. Here plus by minus is minus. 10 by 2 is 5. Therefore, value of k is minus 5. First one is over. Then second. In second also, here f of g is equal to g of f. Find out the value of k. Here, in second case also, we can take again given equation is f of g is equal to g of f. Then find out f of g. F of g is nothing but f of. Instead of we can put a bracket. Then write this g. G means g of x is equal to, here g is g. Of is bracket. Here of means o. Or of means bracket. Then write this f. F means f of x. Then substitute the values of g of x and f of x. F of g of x is nothing but, what is g of x in second one? G of x is 4x plus 5. 4x plus 5 is g of x in second one. Instead of g of x, we can write 4x plus 5. Here f is f is equal to, g is g. Then write the value of f of x. What's the value of f of x in second one? F of x is 2x minus k. 2x minus k. 2x minus k can be taken here instead of f of x. 2x minus k. Then find out f of 4x plus 5. F of 4x plus 5 means in f of x. In second one, f of x is, this is f of x. Substitute instead of x. What's the value of x here? Here value of x is 4 instead of x. 4x plus 5. Instead of, here we can substitute instead of x, 4x plus 5. 4x plus 5 should be written instead of x. Therefore, 2x becomes 2 into 4x plus 5 minus k is equal to, similarly, g of x. What is g of x in second one? 4x plus 5. Instead of x, we can write, 2x minus k. Instead of x, we can write 2x minus k. 4x becomes 4 into, here x is 2x minus k. 2x minus k. Then write plus 5. Then simplify. Here 2 into 4x, 8x. 2 into 5, 10. Here minus k. Here 4 into 2x, 8x. 4 into minus k, minus 4k. Then write this plus 5. Then simplify. Here 8x cancelled. Then write balance. Here minus 4k and 4k can be taken to left side. Becomes plus 4k. Here minus 4k becomes plus 4k. Here minus k is there. Here 5 is there on right side. Take this plus 10 to right side. Becomes minus 10. Then simplify. 4k minus k, 3k. Here 5 minus 10 is minus 5. Then find out the value of k. K is equal to, here into 3 becomes by 3 when it goes right side. Here minus 5 is there. Minus 5 by 3. Therefore, here in second one, k is minus 5 by 3. For more details, see the problem 1 in exercise 1.5.